Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Thursday, August 12, 2021. Before I get into the market update, I will go over the financial market that make a quick turnaround this week. In the last couple of months, as you can see that the financial sector, they pulled back a little bit since May until July. And then now, start from August, they start turning around. As you can see that when the interest rate is going down, so the bank they make less money, and then no money flow to the financial sector, so they are like sideways choppy correction to the downside. But they start from last week, it start to turn around at the infrastructure bill that passed from the White House, and the 10-year Treasury note it also pushed higher. So that's why they increase the long-term interest rate. That helped the bank stock to move higher. So that's why we see that when the money flows, the bank stock will grow. Let's take a look on the financial market. You can see here after they pull back and now they start moving back up for the whole week over here. So if you look at a lot of regional banks like RBE, okay, so they are try to find the bottom and turn around here. That have a lot of stock like Bank America, right, and Wells Fargo, right. So those banks start turning around to the upside there. And you also look at the investment bank; they're also doing very well, like Goldman Sachs there, JB Morgan, or even CSW, Charles Schwab. It's also very strong, as you can see here. So as you can see that the financial sector, after they stabilize, now they all headed to the upside again. So as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't understand the technical analysis, then you should not trade. And that's why as Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and the money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live Discord community 24 hours a day so that you can get support and follow along. That's the only way that you can manage your own financial future. So on the last weekend, we discussed some of the sectors that could be affected by the most by passing the infrastructure investment and job act bill, such as like heavy construction, transportation services, and communication technology and water pollution. So let's go to over the list that I analyzed for you on the weekend to see how they are doing. So first of all, let's talk about the steel stock. As you know that the steel stock is still very strong. Okay, they continue to put it to the upside, as you can see here. So since we mentioned it over here, now they run it straight up there between 100 now $125 yet only for 1 week. And the X steel at another steel stock doing well. STLD, okay, it's still very strong there. CLF, so the bigger one move faster, the smaller one it's still slow move due to the small cap stock. They are still struggle to go to the upside. TMSD, you know, those smaller one are still an uptrend, but they are move slower. And talk about the communication sector that you have CSTR, that's another still moving strong there. This network also hang on to the upside. CSA Comcast, it also hang to the upside there. So road and bridge repair, so you know that beside they need more steel, they need more building material. So you can see some stock like MLM, they are also doing well there. Heavy construction equipment still doing well, like Catibella, John Deere, right? and URI, so people need to rent more equipment. You go to United Rental, still doing extremely well there. And talk about clean energy, water pollution. So couple company still doing well. So those stock we highlight for you last week, they still rumble to the upside there. OSK, that's another one. They from bottom push it up, but they hit the resistance. They pull back a little bit there. CLH, okay, that's another. Clean Harbor, they're also doing well. And WTS, which is a water technology, they're also doing extremely well too. And a couple of ETF that we give it to you that related to infrastructure, they are still hang tight to the upside there. DRIV, IF, RA, okay, it still hang tight to the upside. PAVE, this one here, another strong one there too. So now let's go deep inside to the index sector so that we can looking for what the index they are doing right now. So overall, you can see the ES, it still continue to push it up high, trend is still up. So it means that we will stick with the uptrend for the SP 500 for this moment. The Nasdaq, they have a trouble that couple of days deal in because the 10-year treasury note they increase. So that's why they call the interest rate it go higher. It's harder for the company to borrow the money. So they go sideways. But right now they hit the resistance. So after if they pull back down here, the technology stock will continue to put it up again. Okay. The Dow it also make it all-time high after they clear this resistance there, and then they still hold up to the upside. Russell 2000, that's the only one that goes sideways and goes nowhere, as you can see here. You need to get the momentum, stay above this line here for continue to push it up to the upper bound there. If you look at the crude oil is still choppy sideways here, still momentum is still sideways correction and in the downside. And the gold also fall off the cliff on last Sunday, but to be able to find the support and push it back up. So right now, if they can clear this resistance here, they will try the way to push it up again. But if they fail to do that, we'll see it more correction here. So the momentum, they try to push it up right now. And if you look at the Bitcoin, after they hit to the first level of resistance, so there will be in sideways correction here before they can go higher. And the Ethereum, they're doing the same thing right now. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you this week. Okay, beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks, 6 stocks every week, and we analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Again, thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.